Top 5 Ways to Make Money During a Recession, Robert Kiyosaki. Greatness Capital presents the top 5 ways to make money during a recession, Robert Kiyosaki. While the economy is in a recession, many people face a difficult financial situation. The loss of jobs can cause financial instability, a drop in demand for goods and services, and uncertainty in the stock market. Despite this, there are still ways to generate income even during a recession. In this presentation, we will review Robert Kiyosaki's suggestions for the top 10 ways to generate money during a recession. Kiyosaki is the author of the best-selling book Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Number 10. Invest in real estate. Investing in real estate is one of the best ways to make money during a recession. During a recession, property prices usually go down, giving investors a chance to buy property at a lower price. During a recession, more people may decide to rent instead of buying a home, which could increase the demand for rentals. This allows investors to make money from rental properties without doing anything. Robert Kiyosaki says people should look for homes that are in trouble or have been foreclosed on because they may be cheaper. But it's significant to remember that investing in real estate takes a lot of money and a good understanding of the market. Investors also need to consider the risks of owning and taking care of a rental property. Number 9. Start a business. Starting a business while the economy is in a recession may seem paradoxical, but doing so might be a terrific opportunity for entrepreneurs. There is a void in the market because many companies choose to shut down or reduce their operations when the economy is in a recession. These needs can be met by enterprising individuals ready to take risks and launch their own companies. According to Robert Kiyosaki, people ought to be on the lookout for chances in fields that are immune to economic downturns. For instance, businesses like healthcare, technology, and food manufacturing tend to be more resilient when the economy is downturned. Also, beginning a business could call for less money than investing in real estate, but developing and expanding a profitable enterprise takes a major investment of time and energy. Number 8. Invest in gold and silver. At times of economic uncertainty, investors may find refuge in the tangible assets of gold and silver as a form of investment portfolio diversification. The value of the US dollar would fall during a recession, which may ultimately result in inflation. On the other hand, gold and silver tend to maintain their value even when the economy is in a slump. Instead of putting money into exchange-traded funds, ETFs, or mutual funds that invest in gold and silver, Robert Kiyosaki recommends that consumers look into the possibility of obtaining actual gold and silver in the form of coins or bars. On the other hand, investing in gold and silver can be dangerous and calls for a large amount of market research and familiarity to be successful. It is essential to keep this fact in mind. Number 7. Freelancing. When you work as a freelancer, you offer your skills and services to clients on a project-by-project basis instead of signing a long-term contract. This lets you work on different projects for different clients. During a recession, this can be a great way to make money. During a recession, freelancing is especially appealing because companies can save money by hiring contractors instead of full-time workers. As a freelancer, you can do things like writing, graphic design, programming, or accounting. Freelancers can connect with clients and find work through platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. One of the best things about freelancing is that it gives you much freedom. You can work from anywhere, set your hours, and pick the projects that interest you. But you must be self-disciplined, organized, and able to sell yourself and your services well. Number 6. Invest in dividend stocks. During tough economic times, one approach that can help one maintain their standard of living is to make dividend stock investments. Stocks that are classified as dividend stocks are those that provide owners with monthly dividend payments. These dividends, which represent a share of the company's profits, are normally distributed quarterly or yearly. But there are still possibilities to invest in firms with a history of maintaining steady dividend payments, even if many companies may have difficulty paying dividends during a recession. These businesses are frequently called dividend aristocrats in the financial industry. When investing in dividend stocks, it is necessary to conduct research and execute other forms of due diligence to locate businesses with a track record of successful financial performance and a dedication to paying dividends. In addition to this, it is essential to have a diversified portfolio to reduce risk. If you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends so we can keep making them, and hit the subscribe button to see more videos like this. Number 5. Offer online courses or coaching. If you know a lot about a certain subject, you could offer online courses or coaching. Sharing your knowledge and skills with others can be a good way to make money. People can make and sell online courses on various topics, from business to personal development, on sites like Udemy and Teachable. You can also help people reach their goals by offering coaching services either one-on-one or in a group. To offer online courses or coaching services, you need to know what you're doing and be good at marketing yourself and your services. But it can be rewarding to share what you know and help people while making money. Number 4. Invest in yourself. Spending money on yourself can result in long-term rewards and help you produce income during a recession. Robert Kiyosaki recommends that individuals focus on increasing their knowledge and skill sets to make themselves more marketable in the employment market. This could involve enrolling in classes, attending seminars, or getting certified in a subject. Investing in yourself may also present opportunities for a new career path or a side business venture. For instance, if you're good at writing, you can think about launching a freelance writing firm or developing an online course on the subject. Number 3. Sell digital products. During tough economic times, selling digital products like ebooks, online courses, or software can efficiently bring in additional revenue. As a result of the proliferation of the internet, it is currently less difficult than it has ever been to produce and market digital goods to consumers all over the world. To generate passive income, digital products require an initial commitment of time and resources, but once this investment has been made, the product can generate money on its own. Opportunities to offer online digital products can be found on platforms such as Gumroad, Selfie, and Udemy. If you want to be successful in selling digital products, you need to ensure that the products you sell are of high quality and offer value to your clients. In addition, you need to have a sound marketing strategy in place to communicate with your ideal customers. Number 2. Invest in commodities. During a period of economic uncertainty, it may be beneficial to diversify your holdings by purchasing commodities such as gold, silver, or oil as an insurance policy against price increases. Commodity prices could increase when the economy is doing poorly because investors might try to put their money into more secure investments. When investing in commodities, you must conduct thorough research and perform due diligence to discover opportunities and manage risk properly. In addition, to reduce the amount of risk you are exposed to, having a sound financial strategy and diversifying your portfolio are critical. Investing in commodities can be done in various ways, including purchasing the actual commodities themselves, putting money into commodity futures or options, or purchasing commodity-based exchange-traded funds (ETFs). Number 1. Participate in the gig economy. The gig economy is the trend of short-term contracts and freelance work, often made easier by technology platforms like Uber and TaskRabbit. One way to make money during a recession is to work in the gig economy. Platforms for the gig economy let people offer services like driving, delivering, or handyman work on a project-by-project basis. This could be a way to make money on your own time. But it's important to know the risks and limits of gig economy work, like there's no job security or benefits. Also, you should think carefully about the terms and conditions of the platform you choose to use. We hope this video has helped you by providing these ways. During a recession, there are many ways to make money, such as starting a business, investing in goods, or providing services that people need. It's important to pick a strategy that fits your goals and skills and to have a good plan for your money. Even when the economy is bad, it is possible to do well if you take the right steps. Check out this video on your right screen to discover wealth creation tips and read the description below for insights. Take action now to enhance your knowledge on this topic. See you in the next video.